All right, we're going to treat this colony of bees with Hopguard 3. We have just opened the package, and as you can tell, you may or may not, if you've never used this, you're not expecting it, but that is some pretty nasty looking stuff in there. You are to use rubber gloves when handling this product, and you are as well to be mindful of disposal and use. So these are cardboard strips bent in a U. This is a full established colony of bees. There's 9 frames of them in the bottom. I'm going to hang 2 strips separated by 2 full frames in the cluster of the bees. So the most inhabited frames, that's our target for the use with the strips to kill the Varroa. So let's open up our hive and see exactly where our bees are and what we got going on. Randy, you probably know a little bit more while I'm doing this about the makeup of the Hopguard. It's go ahead and tell us a little bit about it.
So it is not a super strong chemical. It's made of hops, which is the same thing that they make beer from. So it's a good treatment that if you don't want to put a chemical on your bees, it's one of the less, I guess aggressive might be the word, or less chemical.
Less invasive maybe?
Maybe, yeah.
Okay. I
Harsh.
can see lots of brood already right here. Not certain that it does or does not carry. Yeah, they've got brood laid up here. So what I want to do is hang a double strip here and a double strip here. I really should check to see what's in the top. She may have brood there also.
I don't know if they like that.
I'm going to say they're not excited about this treatment at all. It does have a odor, and it is a gooey mess. And they are not liking me prodding around in their brood with it. But what they don't know is that this is something that's good for them. Now, on all your applications of any kind of treatments that you use, don't take my word for it. Don't make it up as you go along. Read your manufacturer's instructions. Most of these folks now have video tutorials on how to install, when to install, and how long to leave the treatments. So they make it, they've done all the research. No need trying to reinvent the wheel when they've already done that. It's as simple as that. You keep bees cleaned up for winter, take that Varroa load off of them. They're less susceptible to disease. They don't have a parasite riding them, weakening the colony. Everybody's cleaner, healthier, and they run through winter, come into spring healthy. You start their feed program. With that comes two things: splitting them, or they split themselves. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.